The Hilife steamer for clothes is a popular garment steamer known for its effectiveness in removing wrinkles and refreshing clothing items. It's designed to be easy to use and portable, making it convenient for both home and travel use. The steamer heats up quickly and provides continuous steam, allowing you to quickly and efficiently steam multiple garments without the need for constant refills. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and carry.
It's a little quicker and you don't need a board for it. This is a nice little steamer. Comes with two of these brushes, and there's two pieces you have to put together. The water container for filling it up, and this is the steamer itself. So really only one switch on, you just flip it on and it starts steaming once the water gets to a right temperature. It's nice they give you two brushes too, it takes some of the lint off there. So they tell you to use distilled or demineralized water. We use right out of our zero water dispenser because it has no minerals. There's total dissolved solids or zero, so there's no metals in there. So you can fill it all the way up to the max if you need to, and then you just twist this little guy on, plug it in, and flip it on, and you are ready to steam. No, it's not going to take out heavy duty wrinkles like super ironed on creases, but for the most part, this is really all you need. You can pull something out of the dryer, even if it's kind of wrinkly, like wrinkly enough where you think you should iron it. Just pop this guy on. You could use it with the brush or without the brush. I used it without the brush the first time to see if it worked. It seemed fine. On this shirt, took out these little minor wrinkles here, and I did a pretty nice job. I mean, it's completely presentable. It's not iron flat or starched or anything, but I hate starch anyway. And yeah, Felicia was able to take all the wrinkles out of her t-shirt out too. Look how a nice job it did here. This is with the brush on it. What's nice about the brush, it's going to take any dog hairs or fibers off that too. So it's going to do a 2-for-1. It's going to take out the wrinkles and also take some of the fibers, hairs, and anything else that's sitting on it too. So it's going to be a nice clean press without pressing it. That's the cool thing. There's no ironing board. You just got to hang it up on a towel rack here. You do both sides, do the sleeves, do the neck if you want to. Again, if there's creases in there, it's probably not going to take those out. But for just little tiny wrinkles like this, it's going to be presentable because you're going to wear it, get it wrinkled anyway. But yeah, steaming's the way to go. It's portable. You can take it with you. If you don't have an ironing board, that's okay because you don't need one. And yeah, this is the new way to go. We definitely like doing this instead of ironing.